Hello everyone, welcome back to one of our Oracle DBA tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can create key file from SPFILE and vice versa. But before to get started, I'm going to explain a little bit about what is Oracle parameter files such as PFILE and SPFILE. For those who just joined my channel, please watch my previous video. There is explanation about Oracle parameter files, PFILE and SP files. I'm going to put the links down in the description so you can check my previous video. So let's get started. Oracle parameter file, PFILE and SP file. When we start database, it goes with three phases always. Initially, it will go with no mount stage. Secondly, it will go with mount stage. And finally, it will open the database. Now, so this is the practical tutorial and session. I'm going to show you how we can create parameter file from SPFILE and vice versa. So here, creating file in a different location than the default location as this is the formula. Create P file, where I'm going to put my P file is right here. See app admin ORCL P file, and this is my P file from SP file. So make sure that your database is already using SP file. To check that, let's go. Okay. This is DBA. Scope parameter SP file. In my case, my database is using SP file instead of P file because I got a value here that my SP file is located here and my database is using this SP file. Now, how we can create P file from this SP file is this is what we're gonna work today. Create P file, and this is my location for P file from SP file. Oops, copy paste issue. Hold on 1 second. Okay, create P file and this location from SP file. All right, my P file is created. So let's go and have a look that my P file is created or not. Yes, it's right here. I told you SP file is a binary format, which is not human readable file. But P file is human readable file, which gives all the information about my database. So my database name is ORCL, and this is data transfer cache size, DB cache size, and the Oracle base is this one. SGA target size is this much. Audit file this is right here. Control file is this one. So it gives all the information about my database. This is the DB recovery file this size, and this is DB recovery file this location. Some people say flashback recovery area. So the NLS territory is America, NLS language is American. It gives all information about my database. So we have changed the SP file to P file. Now, vice versa, how we can create SP file from P file. Imagine like we have just created a database and we still start up the database by using P file and we don't have any SP file that my database should use of it. So now we can create SP file from P file. Create SP file, and I'm gonna put my SP file right here in this path from P file. Where I have stored my P file is right here. So we're gonna create a SP file from P file. Okay, copy paste problem. Okay. All right, so I have given the SP file name spfile.ora. All right, SP file created from P file. Let's check here. This is my SP file. So this is how we can create P file from SP file and SP file from P file. So thank you so much. If you like and learn something from my tutorial, please uh, hit the like button, and also please do not forget to write your suggestion down in the comment section. That way I will make more useful videos for you. And also please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and see you in the next videos.